In this video, I'm going to show how to send USDT from Binance to Binance. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so stick around till the end. To start with this guide, open the Binance app. Next, log into your account. To start transferring USDT, you will need your USDT wallet address, and the USDT wallet address must be under the BSC network. Click here and click on deposit. You can either search for USDT in the search field right here or click USDT from history or these options below. For this tutorial, I'll select the BSC network. Here, we can see the wallet address. You can click here to copy it and add it later to your other Binance account that will send USDT to this account. Go back to the home screen. Click on portfolio here. Click on withdraw and search for USDT here or click on Tether below. On the send page, make sure the wallet address is correct here. Click here to select the network. I'm going to select BSC network here. Review your details. If all checks out, click on withdraw. And that is how to send USDT from Binance to Binance. Like if you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.